Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in this video we are going to discuss about how to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. So first we will discuss what is a palindrome, and we can say a string is a palindrome if it reads the same backward as forward. For example, we have a string that is madam as the original string, and after reversing the string this is the same value madam, so we can say it is a palindrome. If our original string is name and after reversing this string the value is eman, so we can say it is not a palindrome, but because these are not equals. Okay, let's start to write the code in Eclipse. So first here we will create one class, new class, that is check palindrome. And here in this class we will declare main method, and here we will use scanner class to take the input from user. And here I will just print one statement, that is enter any string value. Enter any string value, and in the next line we will store string original, that is sc dot next int, or next function we can use next, or we can also use next line. And here we need to declare one boolean flag that will be used to store the value if a string is palindrome or not. Is string palindrome? First we will define default as a true. Now what algorithm we will follow? First we have get the input from user, that is a string. After that we have declared a flag and set the value as true. Now we will convert this string into lowercase original, that is the input. We will convert into lowercase letter. After converting into lowercase letter, the comparison will be case sensitive. Now we will iterate this string one by one. Here we will use for loop for iteration, and that will be start from I is equal to 0 and up to the middle of this original string, and I will be up to less than original dot length divided by 2. So we will check just up to the middle of the string, and I will be incremented. And here we will check one character from starting and another character from last. Original dot caret that will be I index, means 0, and if is not equal to last index, original dot caret original dot length minus 1, length minus I minus 1. It's mean it will be read the character from last index, and if the first index character and last index character does not match, then the flag value will be false. we will break the loop, so we can say it is not a palindrome if does not match. Here we will write is palindrome, then we will print it is a palindrome, and else it is not a palindrome. It is not a palindrome. Now I will run this application, and after that we will discuss what algorithm we have used here. Enter any string. So here first I will enter madam, and so we can say it is a palindrome because from forward and reverse both are same. And if I will enter some another string like name name, then we can say it is not a palindrome because it is not same from forward and backward. Now we will discuss what algorithm we have defined here. First, here we have defined one string, and after that we have defined a flag and set its default value as true. After that we converted the string into lowercase to make the comparison is case sensitive. We have converted, and after that we iterate the string forward and backward and compare one character at a time till the middle of the string is reached. So we have divided by 2, and if any of the character does not match, then we will set is palindrome is false and will break the loop, so we can say it is not a palindrome. And in the last we check the condition. If it is true, then palindrome, else it is not a palindrome. Okay, thanks for watching this video.